Okay, this is quite an important day for Bitcoin. So on the day where it broke a new all-time high of, say, $5,800, on the daily chart the RSI hit 80. Now typically when Bitcoin hits 80 on the relative strength index, it means it's going to go down. However, quite often it goes down, bounces up, and gives trying to go through the previous all-time high again. And if it breaks 5,800, it will shoot up to a significant amount. So I would reckon that when the traditional markets open tomorrow, they will see this as a good buying opportunity. And currently momentum is very slowly building up since they hit went less than 30 RSI on the hourly chart, which means now would be a very good time to buy Bitcoin. So let's just say I bought Bitcoin today. Because I'm a trader, I know how exchanges work and that kind of stuff. I put it onto some kind of an exchange, and every time it reaches a new level, I would put a stop loss under that new level. I'd say I'd do that every Thursday for swing traders, and then buy back again over the weekend and make nice 10 to 20% gains every week. Looking at Ark. Ark is a long-term plan that I'm doing. You can see by the daily chart, when the RSI got down to pretty low, what number is that? It got down to 31, so that's just about in the oversold mark, and then from there it jumped up jumped up like a third in price, and then during what we called the Bitcoin crush on Thursday, went down again third of price. So but it didn't go below its monthly low, so we call that a double bottom. And let's see, I'll put that. And if it gets over, if it goes up by another, let's say 20 or 25% over the next 3 days, which it possibly could, no guarantee, it'll be a signal for a lot of trade. It will make it a W shape, and lots of traditional traders like W shapes, and there'll be a bull run for a month, and will definitely, well, not definitely, but high probability of doubling or tripling its value over the month. So for me, Ark is a month-long strategy that I am implementing, because if it does follow the pattern I just said, then that's more than enough for me to cover my costs of living in my comfortable Mediterranean home. A shorter term strategy that I'm doing is Pivx. Pivx has recently got a wallet upgrade, which we would assume would mean to an epic jump in price, but of course since the rise of Bitcoin, that kind of crushed all the other cryptocurrencies in the market. But now it's been gradually going up since that's happened. The momentum in the 4 hour for swing traders and the RSI is gradually going up. which means I've made a marginal profit on it. I'd say all unlikely still going to be going up for a few days. So if you find this information useful, like, share, subscribe, and if you make any profit on the information I've given you, I'd be grateful if you would donate 10% of the profit to this address. I update Steemit more often than I do YouTube, and at some point I plan to be updating my website because I'm quite negligent of it. So live free or die trying.